know, I get this very often, and students ask me about the SAT time management, and because a lot of kids are struggling towards the end, leaving questions, so made a couple of slides about strategies I recommend. One is called the one pass and revision method. This is important because a lot of times students they get stuck on a question. They spend 5, 6, 7 minutes on a question, all right, and what happens is then they're just stuck and time flies when you're stuck. Then you lose a lot of the other questions because you don't have time. Okay, so if you spend 5 or 6 minutes on a question, you're probably also getting 5 or 6 questions down the line wrong, but you don't have time for them, right? So what I recommend is you do every question as quickly as you can and confidently as you can. If you feel you're taking more than 60 to 75 seconds in being able to figure out a question, it's been 60 seconds and you don't know where you are, you're still as much lost, flag it, move on. Answer the remaining questions, come back to it if you have time. Okay, this will prevent you getting stuck. Remember, if you get one question wrong on the SAT, you're okay. But if you get 5, 6 questions wrong on the SAT, that's a score killer. Okay. Second, keep a steady pace. Don't rush. As I said, take a minute. Some takes 45 seconds, some will take 75 seconds, but don't rush. Be calm. Give each question equal weightage. Do not get stuck. If you don't get stuck, you will not be frantic. Okay. One more important point. If you feel your panic, you're rereading, understanding, 10 seconds break, close your eyes, deep breaths, reset, move on. Okay. Last is make the timer work for you. Do not look at the timer for each question. Look at the timer in chunks of 5 questions, right? So every 5 questions should be 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. That's important. Look at the timer, see okay, move on. Okay, don't look at the timer every question. That will really make you panic and you're losing time. Next is English timings. Okay. Read the questions first, important, so you know what you're reading for in the passage. Find the keywords, scan the passage. Okay, that is important. So again, read the question first for short passages. Spend about a minute per question on an average. As I said, grammar takes less, words in context take less, some might take longer. Average should be 1 minute. The last is eliminate wrong answers, right? Ruthlessly. Please do not try to find the perfect answer, waste a lot of time. Any answer choice is too extreme, eliminate. Opposite of the passage, eliminate. Words not supported, eliminate, right? Elimination really helps. So try to focus a lot on elimination, that will help you. All right. So you can read through this, guys. This should hopefully help where we are. Okay, let's go. Next, math. Again, if you're stuck 25 seconds, 30 seconds, don't know what to do, have absolutely no idea, flag it or mark it, move on. It's no use spending 5 minutes. Right? The next is optional. A lot of kids don't like it. It's optional. If you're comfortable, do it. If you're not comfortable, don't do it. It's griddins. You do your griddins after your multiple choice. Okay? So again, it's completely optional. Third is because multiple choice are faster than griddins. Griddins, you got to solve them, so you can leave them for later. Back solving, plugging in, as I said, for multiple choice, try to, if your variables, plug in answers, whatever strategies we've taught you, okay, use them. If you're not sure, let us know. We can do a class on back solving and plugging in. Generally, the final 2-3 minutes should be for checking answers or going through your flag questions. Okay, this is section by section. The target is reading and writing. If it's a 32-minute module, the first 5 vocab-based questions finish in 3 to 4 minutes. Then you have reading, takes a lot longer, 19 minutes, slow down the reading passages. The last is the grammar. Okay, grammar and the bullet points, you can take about 8 to 9 minutes. This is the breakup of reading. For math, the first 10 questions are easy, 10-12 minutes. The next 10 are medium, about 12 to 13 minutes. And the last 5 are harder, 10 minutes, right? This is just a blueprint. It's a guide. You can create your own, but this is what we generally recommend. Okay, last is some high impact tips most students don't use. Okay, don't read on autopilot. Okay, if you forget what you read, again, take a break. In math, make notes, solve problems in your scratch pad. Okay, it will really help speed up. Answer every question. If you really have no idea, flag it, come in the end, randomly mark it, but do not miss it. And 5 is before the test, do a couple of mental math problems, read some paragraphs, read something on a blog that helps you just your mind to start moving. Okay. Hope this helps. Please let us know if you need any more additional details about these. Thank you.